I'm going to take 3 of my pint jars of home canned milk and attempt to make yogurt out of it. And the reason I say attempt is because I have never canned milk before, and I'm a little concerned, obviously. So here we go. We'll open one up. Seems to have sealed very well. Take a quick taste. Tastes fine. It's definitely a little different. Let's see. Yes, it does taste a little bit like canned milk that you buy in the store. My battery is dying. Okay, I've just changed the battery and we can move right along here and open the next 2. And yes, they definitely sealed well. Smell fine. Okay, we'll take this up to temperature for yogurt. I need a thermometer. And we want to take it to 180, 190 Fahrenheit. Okay. Okay, so I've made 9 of my little yogurt cups. I'm just going to tighten the lids and put them in a cooler to mature for 4 hours. And then they go in the fridge for overnight. And we'll try to eat some of this yogurt tomorrow. I'm sure it'll be fine, but based on the fact that it is my first time using canned milk. Okay. So I've got my cooler ready. And we'll let the yogurt incubate. Good, there's my... Okay, taste test of my canned milk made into yogurt. Here's one of my little yogurt cups. And first thing I do notice is that it's not as white as I'm accustomed to. There's just a little bit of a tinge of caramelized color to it. But the yogurt turned out just fine. And nice and thick. Tastes fine. Now, that's just plain yogurt. Hang on, I'm going to get another spoon. I don't want to be dipping that spoon into my jam, so I've got some homemade blueberry jam that I'm going to use to flavor this yogurt. And you could add just about anything you want to flavor yogurt, but I like homemade jams or nuts or even chocolate chips. Okay. Yes, that is nice. So it would appear as though you can milk and use it to make yogurt. I suspect you can use it to make homemade pies as well. Like, question is though whether I will can a lot of milk and keep it in a pantry, or I just like the fact that I know I can do it. And it was a successful canning venture. Very good. Well, I'm going to turn off the camera and finish my yogurt. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.